We'll guide you through how to add text underline in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to add text underline in Figma, start with opening up your design workspace. So if Figma is not already running, launch it from your desktop with a quick double-click on the app icon. Once the program opens, load any existing project file you want to work on. Press F on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. Then click and drag on the canvas to create a frame that will act as the background for your text. With the frame selected, head over to the right-hand panel and find the Fill section. Click the plus button to add a fill, then click the color swatch and choose any background color you like. Next, press T on your keyboard to activate the text tool. Click inside the frame and type out your keyword or any text you want to use. When you are finished typing, press Escape to exit text editing mode. With the text layer still selected, look over at the right panel and adjust the font size to any value you prefer. You can also click the text color swatch and choose any color that fits your design. To make sure the correct layer is active, click on the text layer from the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. Now scroll down the right panel until you find the Typography section. In the bottom right corner of that section, look for a small icon that resembles two vertical lines with tiny horizontal tick marks on them. Then click it to open the Advanced Text Options panel. A new menu will appear with several rows of settings. Find the row labeled Decoration. Inside that row, click the button that looks like a capital U with a line underneath it. As soon as you click it, an underline will be applied to your text. If you ever want to remove the underline, simply click the button to the left that resembles a dash to toggle the effect off. To underline only certain words instead of the entire text layer, press Escape to close the panel first, then double-click the text layer to enter editing mode. Click and drag over the specific words you want to underline. Once they are highlighted, open the Advanced Text Options again from the Typography section by clicking the same slider style icon in the bottom right corner. Locate the Decoration row again and click the U button to apply the underline only to the highlighted words. Press Escape when you are done editing, then finish by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac to save your work.